We reached a peak here in around 1960, where we had around 3.8 children per household, so nearly 4 children per household. So that was the big uptick. Now, what do you think happened after that, Gary?
I'm going to say we've slowly declined. I don't know.
Yeah, so I've hidden half the graph here because it's quite a dramatic drop.
Okay,
And
not slowly,
this is-
quickly.
Yeah, very quickly. So you can see here from 1960 down to say into the 1990s, we had a dramatic drop. And this coincided with, again, a change in work culture, as well as, and more importantly, the introduction of birth control. As we've been below that 2 children per household, looks like since 1975. I'm sorry to be the one to tell you this, but you're gonna die. If that couple decides to have 2 children, and that older couple passes, then when they leave this earth, then there's 2 people remaining and they've replaced themselves. So 2% or 2 is the replacement rate. In Canada, in 2023, we're not far off the lowest in all of the world at 1.33.